Explorers, Key to the Explorer here, and today I am here as promised in a previous video to talk about the Hilton Honors Points Program. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about the tier levels. I'm going to tell you about the benefits of each tier, how you can earn points, how you can use points, and what I think about this program. So make sure you stay to the end so you can hear all about what I think about this Hilton Honors program, okay? So, and just to let you know, I am Key to the Explorer, and on my channel, I talk about all things travel photography and the environment. And it is important to talk about the environment because as global citizens, we need to care about the land we travel on at home and abroad. So let's get into today's video. So let's talk about the tier levels. Hilton keeps it straight to the point and very easy to remember. They have 4 tier levels. The first tier level is member, general member level. Anyone can sign up for a membership with Hilton just by going to their website and hitting join. It is free to do so, and you might as well do it so whenever you stay at Hilton, you can easily earn points towards future stays at Hilton. Next up is the silver level. With silver, you have to stay 4 times at eligible Hilton hotels or 10 nights. The third level is the gold tier. The gold tier, in order to get that status, you have to have 20 stays or stay 40 nights. And lastly, it's the diamond status. In the diamond status, you have to have 30 stays or stay 60 nights. Okay, let's talk about the benefits. So if you see me looking down, I have my notebook because I cannot remember every single benefit for every single tier. But first, we're gonna start out with the benefits for the general member level. The general member level has 9 benefits. You have a guaranteed Hilton Honors discount rate. So when you log into their portal on their website, you'll be honored a discounted rate for booking a hotel, being a member of Hilton. Then you get points towards free nights, travel partners, and more when you are a member. You never have resort fees on reward stays. So if you use points to book a stay at a Hilton hotel or Hilton resort, you don't have to pay the resort fees. There's digital check-in and check-out, so you can use your mobile phone, which has not worked for me yet at a Hilton hotel, but it is possible. Actually, take it back, one time it did work. There's free Wi-Fi, and you have elite rollover nights into the next year. So after the member level, I told you there's the silver level. With the silver level, you get all of the benefits as a member, but you get 4 additional benefits. Those benefits are, you get free bottled water in your room, which is excellent. I always love to have a nice bottle of water in my room, so I don't have to go buy anything, and I am always thirsty. You get 20% points earning bonus. If you stay 4 nights, you get the 5th night free. So if you're gonna stay 4 nights, you might as well stay a 5th so you can get a free night on Hilton. And lastly, you still get elite rollover nights as well. So next up is the gold level benefits. With the gold level, you get 17 benefits. So you get all the benefits from the member and silver levels, but you also get 80% of points earning bonus on the eligible stays. So that's a big jump from the silver level, which was only a 20% bonus. You get space available room upgrade. So that's awesome. You can get a better room just by being a gold member. You get milestone bonuses. So on your anniversary as being a member, you get a special bonus, and you get daily food and beverage credit if you're at a US hotel, or you get continental breakfast for free at non-US hotels. That is major. I love having a nice free breakfast because one, I don't eat much breakfast, so I don't want to pay for that full breakfast at a hotel, but it's nice to have, a little pickup from the hotel in the morning and not having to pay full price. And the last level is diamond. It has 24 benefits. So it gets the benefits of the other tiers, but it also gets 100% points earning bonus at Hilton hotels. So you're getting double the points when you stay as a diamond member. It also has space available room upgrades. You get executive lounge access with the diamond level, okay? That's pretty fancy, pretty nice. I am not a diamond, I'm a gold, so I don't know anything about that lounge access as of yet. You get premium Wi-Fi, you get a 48-hour room guarantee, and you can gift the elite status. So how can you earn points to get to these higher statuses with Hilton, or just, you know, have points to redeem for reward stays with Hilton. There are a couple different ways. So first of all, obviously staying at a Hilton hotel, you will get points by doing so. You can also get points by getting a credit card with Hilton, and getting a credit card will also help you get to a higher tier level. And you can check out that video linked up in the card or down in the description box about my Hilton American Express credit card. You can always buy points, but don't buy too many points. You gotta see if it's worth it or not. Sometimes they have special programs where if you buy a certain amount of points, they'll give you a bonus percentage of points. But don't spend over $200 on points. So let's be real. You can get points by renting cars up to 5,000 points per rental. Obviously, it's going to vary based on what you're renting and all that jazz. You can get points by linking your Hilton account to Lyft. You can also get points by signing up for the Hilton Honors Dining Program. But just to let you know, if you have your card linked to another dining program, like the Marriott Dining Program that I talked about in another video previously, you can only have one card linked to one dining program. So if you care more about the Marriott points, you probably don't want to link all your credit cards to Hilton, and vice versa. So you may want to think about that as you sign up for the dining program. They also have a guest opinion reward survey where you can earn points as well. I am part of enough survey programs and I hardly participate, so I don't do this, but if you have free time and that's something you enjoy to do, you can definitely sign up to take surveys and get additional points with Hilton. So now how can you use the points? You earn all these points, now you want to use them, okay? So you can actually use your points by linking your Hilton to Amazon. So you can use your Hilton Rewards points, like if you're not traveling, something's going on where you can't travel, you can use those points to make purchases at Amazon. And just like you earn points with Lyft to get Hilton Rewards points, you can use those points to pay for a Lyft. So it works both ways. They also have an airline transfer program, so you can transfer points to and from the airline if you want to do that. You can also use your points just like you earned it from a car rental. You can also use points to rent cars, and you can do that through their website. Now this is pretty cool. You can actually link your Hilton account to Ticketmaster, and you can use your Hilton points to buy tickets for your favorite shows or sporting events on Ticketmaster.com. They also have a Hilton Honors shopping mall on their online where you can use points to shop in their mall, which I haven't done so I don't know what there is on there. And I tried to go there and the website was kind of confusing. I was like, how do I click on the United States? It seemed like they had every country except the US when I was on there. Maybe there's something wrong with the website at the time, but I had a little bit of difficulty when I tried. And lastly, they have a charitable donations program. So you can go on their website and you can donate some of your miles to your favorite charity. Now, what is my opinion about this Hilton Honors Reward Program? You know, Hilton has always been in my preferred category of hotels, but now it's actually kind of at the top of my preferred hotels because it is very easy to earn points with Hilton, and it's pretty easy to get higher up in status if you want to. Like with the credit card, I automatically obtain gold status with the credit card without having to do much. So I'm already almost at the top level without having to do all this additional jumping through hoops. And there's a lot of opportunities for you to earn points as well as use the points. So if you're not traveling, like, you know, if another panorama comes around, please don't. But if you're unable to travel, you have points to use at Amazon or whatever else you want to use it with, like charity or whatever. So I love the versatility of this program, and I love that it's easy to earn with the program and it's easy to be rewarded. So some programs, like another one I talked about recently, is getting harder and harder to get rewarded, and it's almost like I'm earning and earning and earning and don't get much reward for it. So you don't feel like that with Hilton. I mean, I must say it's not like super easy or anything, but if you work towards it, if that's something you want, you can definitely get to those levels of reward with Hilton. And it's like, there's a way to get there and you can see it. So I definitely enjoy it, and it's definitely worth signing up. It is free to do so. So you may not be working towards it now. You may go every once in a while to Hilton, but eventually you may say, hey, I become or pursue getting higher levels with Hilton, and you'll already have your membership number. So definitely sign up. It won't hurt you at all. So I hope you enjoyed me breaking down the Hilton Honors Reward Program, because I know sometimes when you look at this stuff, it's not that easy to comprehend sometimes, especially if you're new to traveling. And sometimes it's not that easy to find. Hilton, it was kind of hard for me to find all the little details about the rewards program, but it's there. And if you're not a person who likes to research and dig around, you may not find it, and that's okay. So that's why I'm here to give you the information, of course. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It is free for you to do so, and it helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks so they can get an understanding of this program as well. And leave any questions you have about the Hilton Honors Program down below, and I will try to answer them for you or find the right resource for you. And make sure you visit ketonexplorer.com. I'll leave the direct link down below so you can get your free packing checklist and free travel budget template. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.